wow.
Lots of cars. Lots of cars. Oh no.
Cars.
First things first.
Are you bringing the raincoat?
Should I not?
She might be smarter than me. She might be dumber than me. We don't know.
I'm gonna fucking bring it. Don't let people see how much I'm struggling. Yeah, can you
I'll do.
Thank you, Brianna. Okay, double check.
Always double check. Or your Yaya's car. Depends on whose car you take.
Yaya's car. Let's make sure we have eyes on our keys before we lock the door.
Ooh, you smarty smart. I'm getting this in.
Alright, we're sponsored by Subway.
Subway. Eat right.
Alright. Moment of truth.
Moment of truth. Oh, I said I was going to do a little dance during this part.
I was like assuming the back.
There we go. Okay.
Can you hang this somewhere?
Yeah.
There she goes. Hello.
Hello. Two people on the beach. You feel like a betrayal?
Two roads. You know, I was trying to improperly quote some fucking Robert Frost and this bitch out here.
Perfect time.
Brianna's one of the best renowned dancers in all of the tri-state area. That's actually secretly a Phineas and Ferb reference.
I don't
Oh my god, I was literally, the one day I forget to put fucking deodorant on my thighs. Ah, look at how cute she is. Oh, you're a fine girl. What a good wife. Such a fine girl. I was saying that there should be a segment dedicated to the one song that we sing, and it's already proven 5 minutes into the hike to be Brandy. Who's about? We'll put it in the show. Yeah.
I do a little billabong.
Little billabong?
My own fun right over the frog.
Oh. There she is. There she is. Uh-oh. What's happening? What's happening? Something tells me the water's over this hill.
It is. It's your, record this. Record it.
Record this. I'm going to. Folks, can you start to see that blue poking through? Yes, bitch.
Is it gorge?
Oh my god.
Let's, wow. Wow. Wow.
Holy cannoli.
Michigan.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Are you kidding me?
Get me a little tiny campsite. Look at my little creepy finger. Wow, wow. All right. I can't wait to eat my risotto. That's nice.
Get a picture of this.
Please kindly step away and reveal.
Wow, wow, wow. I show you the watermelon and you're going to treat me like
I'm sure they have this in other states, but for some reason washed up wood always will make me think of Michigan. Where you going? She's running away from me.
It's like a photography story.
We sacrifice. Little dune girl. My fucking dirty ass sandy cameraman hands. Ugh. gonna go scout us a camp spot. The science guy is at it again. We'll let you know how this goes. All right, we're back to 5. She's given up already.
It's alright, you guys, I'm an alcoholic. Not a worry in the world.
Oh.
They're not in my hand yet. He's feeling like something bad's gotta happen.
Bound to happen. You gotta pay for that.
You gotta pay for that.
Right, Brianna? Oh! It's 5 p.m. We are drunker than we expected to be.
We did not know we were going to be drunk.
So we're gonna eat these Subway sandwiches that we got on the way in and look crazy.
And hope for the best.
And hope for the best. Allow me to just hop on the record once and for all that any fruity drink in a tall boy is like destined to fuck you up. Like, it's just never a good time when you involve yourself with that kind of negativity. Mornings are rough. Mom, look at you're having such a little morning out. Nice. That's so nice, just like Brianna. Brianna having a little morning out.
She's not out yet. Did you? Is that a freaking joke, Sophia? Is that a freaking joke? First try? We love you.
Oh my gosh! Come in to say hi? Oh my gosh.
You are so precious. We are a couple barefoot girls, couple barefoot hiking girls.
But honestly, I feel like it might sound like some holistic shit, but I think there's some therapeutic benefits to walking barefoot. Look at this. Looks like the freaking Caribbean.
Gorgeous.
Goodbye, Lake Michigan.
I found a friend. Oh!
No, Brianna.
I'm so sorry.
Wants to go.
But I found him. Okay, I'm gonna leave him this time. I'm sorry, I love you.
Goes again. There she goes. Running through the woods. 'Cause she's got long legs. All right, folks. We did it!
Bunch of bitches that did it.
Signing off.